Are you moving to Nashville, Tennessee and want a brand new custom home? Today we are in Brentwood, just south of Nashville, looking at an absolutely beautiful brand new custom home. Just hit the market. You're gonna see that, they're still putting the final touches together on this one, but this one is just too nice not to go ahead and shoot for you so you can see this beauty in one of the best areas of town. And I'm Scott Hardesty, your Nashville real estate consultant. We are out here every single week looking for unique custom homes, new developments, anything we think you're gonna like, we're gonna get out here and film it for you. So if you like our content, hit that subscribe button, and better yet, reach out to us, fill out that questionnaire in the description, and we'll get back with you. I would love to get on a Zoom call with you and hear more about what you're looking to purchase right here in Nashville, Tennessee. So a little bit more about Brentwood. We are in Williamson County here, just 65 south to Concord Road is how you would get here. Very quiet, private street. And if you've seen any of my other videos, you know Williamson County has some of the best school systems in the state of Tennessee. A lot of people who, as they have kids and have growing families and are looking to upsize, they move to areas like this to take advantage of the public school system here in Williamson County. So something to keep in mind if that's important to you. And from this location, you're only about 15, maybe 20 minutes to downtown. Also, another 15 minutes to downtown Franklin, depending on where you need to go. Just very nice location. So let's get into this house here. I want to show it to you. All right, so this one is 6 bedrooms, 6 full baths, 3 half baths, 7,854 square feet. And this one is listed just under 3.6 million. So 3,599,900. There's actually some room in the bottom level to add even more square footage if you need it. This one was built by Aspen Construction, excellent builder here in town. The main floor has over 3,300 square feet. You have 10-foot ceilings in that on the main level, which I love. I love that you have a separate office in this one. 2 bedrooms on that main level, including the owner's suite, which is just huge. And this one is on an acre lot. That backyard is awesome. I don't see a lot of new builds that have this nice of a backyard. Can't wait to show you that one. Stay around to the end so you can see that one. You have a huge bonus room on the 3rd floor, and then you have another bonus living room space on the downstairs floor. So 3 levels on this one, absolutely huge. Comment below, let me know what you think about this one. Let's go check it out. right, what did you think about this beautiful home and this lot? Look at this backyard. This is one of the biggest backyards I've seen with a new custom home in a long time. So just a beautiful property, space for days in this home, and I love, it's truly a custom home. I mean, they went all out on this one, and I love that there's even more room in the bottom level to add extra square footage if you want. It's already a huge house, but there's room to grow if you need it. Hope you enjoyed this. You know, as much as we love making these videos, we love even more helping people find their next home right here in Middle Tennessee. So fill out that questionnaire in the description and my team will reach out to you. Can't wait to meet you. See you next time on That Nashville Life. Later.